cottage cheese.
Look at his face.
Is it good?
Do you like it? It's chunkier than normal.
Here, let me see the spoon.
Is it good?
Ryder. I think he likes it. Here. That was difficult to do while filming. Okay, I think he needs some more.
Look at her mouth. It's just full of white stuff. Look at her nose. Do you have that?
Yeah. I think I just got the mean look recorded.
Look at his face. Okay, quit recording. How did I get it on my knee?